Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2021. It's the third match in round 3. The scores are Munro College on 24, DeCarteret College on 19. And for our viewers, just to let you know that Munro gained a point for the question, what type of joint in the body permits movement in all directions? A bit muffled, but the correct answer, ball and socket, came. The judges awarded the point, but they lost a point for the Jamaican heritage question. Complete the Jamaican proverb, beta belly boss, Dan. And the judges will not accept just food waste, but good food waste. All right, and so we get into our buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer, wait to be identified before giving your answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers. Teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championships. Let's see, 4 minutes on the clock, please. First question comes from Bible knowledge. Who replaced Omri? Munro.
Ahab.
Correct, as king of Israel. Biology, what name is given to the bone in the middle ear, which is attached to the Munro.
Malleus.
Yes, tympanum, and articulates with the incus at the other end. English language. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of the word Munro.
Ignoble.
Incorrect. The word is scrupulous, and the answer is unscrupulous. Local affairs. Look at the clip. Identify this parliamentarian. Munro.
Crystal Lee.
Correct. Chemistry. What is the chemical formula for manganese dioxide? Munro.
MnO2.
Correct. Music. Listen to this clip. Give the title of the song. DeCarteret.
Hideaway.
Correct. General knowledge. In which Canadian province is the city of Toronto? Munro.
Ontario.
Correct. Spanish. Ellas buscaron en el libro. What am I saying?
Next.
DeCarteret.
They're searching for the book.
No, they searched in the book. Geography. What is the name of a line drawn on a map connecting points of equal relative? Munro.
Isotherms.
No, relative humidity, isohume. Theatre and cinema.
Next.
At the following clip. Identify the actor. Munro.
Chiwetel Ejiofor.
Correct. Information technology, which word starting with B is the definition for social networking account powered by artificial intelligence?
Next.
Munro.
Bot.
Correct.
Good word.
History. The first China war was fought between China and what country? Munro.
England.
Correct. Mathematics. What is the value of cosine 90 degrees? Munro.
0.
Correct. Physics. A ship moves at a speed of 4 meters per second and water resistance acting on it is 4,000 newtons.
Next.
What is the power of its engine? $16 kilowatts. Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this former WNBA star. Munro.
Candice Parker.
Incorrect. Lisa Leslie.
Relax,
Literature. Uneasy lies the head that wears a crown is a quote from which Shakespearean play?
All right, next one.
King Henry IV.
Right.
French. Who is l'agent de bord at an airport? Flight attendant. Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Chip never. Munro.
Far from block.
Can't accept. Chip never fly far, and the answer would be just from block.
Oh.
Art. Luncheon on the Grass is the
Yes.
title of a 19th century painting by which French artist?
In the grass.
Claude Monet. Bible knowledge. In which book of the Bible is the story of Nabal and Abigail first recorded? First Samuel. Biology. How many pectoralis muscles are on each side of the sternum in the human body? Two. English language. Give an 8-letter adjective starting with S which describes something that is not what it purports to be. It's false or fake. Munro.
Spurious. Spurious!
Correct. International affairs, how many members are there in the Organization of American States, OAS?
Next.
The answer would be 35, and that bell signifies the end of our final challenge, the end of the match. The scores are Munro College on 36, DeCarteret College on 19. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.